that's option one, and that's probably good enough for a lot of people. But what I'm going to do now is also make an agent. So again, we do need to still keep this. But here, so this is so each of the systems are a little bit different, but they all have the same kind of concept. In ChatGPT, it's called a GPT. Rather, well, I think in Copilot, it's an agent. So we go into a GPT and create a new one. Okay, and then you basically have to configure it here.
Yeah.
So hopefully you've saved the information around the prompt onto a Word file.
Yeah.
Okay, and then you're gonna so you basically just follow the next steps. So Matthew Carr, CFO agent. What is he doing? So I keep losing it. You can kind of just copy all of the prompts and put it here into the instructions. And then update the conversations. I'm gonna skip that one for now and use that later. It asks you which model do you want to use. I just normally put it to no recommended model, depends on what the task is. And then add on additional capabilities. I think as a financial, so it by default it adds web search, which it means it can go out and scrape the internet for you. Canvas, yes, obviously, if you want to make nice dashboards. Image generation. Sorry. And then finally, code interpreter and data analysis. I also activate that, so you've got all of the capabilities. And then create that. So it asks you as well if you want to share this new GPT with anybody for people to use. So by default, it says anyone with a link. So normally, only I'm trying to make a copy myself, so probably only me. Case, but anyone with this link. So I'll show the next one we're going to do. You might make an agent that's relevant to the finance team or wider. So then you would use this and share the link. So then you've already made an agent which other people can use, and this is the way to share it. And then the third option, if you want to make it public and put it into the ChatGPT store, but unless you're trying to make money out of it, you're probably not going to do that. So that's only me, yeah.
But you can share it with your team. You can make AI agents for a teammate to help them with work, for example.
So this one is really, I'm trying to make a digital twin, so it's a copy of me. But I think once you get into this, then you realize making a specific agent to do a specific one thing really well is more akin to a job title or job role, and there you might want to make them part of the team and share across the team. So now he's there. So when I come into ChatGPT, I've now made him. So he's going to look and sound like me. And so what do I actually use this for? Obviously, I want to double check emails. Like this is a classical one. Get ChatGPT to write your email, but it's going to do it in your consistent tone. So at the moment, everybody writes an email. Everybody else can see that it's been written by AI. But now if I use this, it's gonna sound way more like me, and people are not going to be, oh, he's rated that with AI. So that's a good little a tool to have. So yeah, definitely for email writing as a first draft and check-in. But also, yeah, is also for a bit as a sparring partner. So it's that the way I do use it is I do have a difficult question. I'm not sure how to think things through or get a new problem, and you can just dump it into here and get some quick feedback. But again, not with the most generic AI, perhaps American kind of answer. You know, some of the, more with the focus of what I'm used to as working in a small scale up, cash tight, you know, that, you know, it kind of frames the whole conversation. So yeah, so then it's there, and then if it starts coming out with crazy answers that you don't agree with, you can always go and edit them. But I think, you know, this should be like your starting point when you come in and ask a question to AI. So instead of just going in a new chat, everybody's had that problem of like, I'm starting again with a new chat. It's got to learn all about me. So we just get rid of all of that, right? So it's already so when you first come in and you want to use it, by default, you can go there as well. So it does save a bit of time in the end, yeah.
Yeah. And